Good morning, everyone. This is Expat JNG, and this is my mom, and this is my baby. He is 7 weeks old, and today is Sunday, June 9, 2019, here in Bangkok, Thailand, and it's Sunday, but we are heading to the Philippine Embassy to report his birth. So if you're wondering why we're going to the embassy since it's Sunday, they actually have a special event in commemoration for the upcoming Independence Day, and so it will be holiday on June 12th, so they have a special they open a special service for today, and at the same time we are going to attend a breakfast banquet. And so guys, we are going to report his birth like I said earlier, and at the same time process his new passport. And by the way, if you're wondering, it's Sunday and we're not going to church, just letting you know that we're attending an evening service here in Bangkok, and the church is called International Church of Bangkok. So, okay guys, we're heading out, and as you see, I'm wearing my baby with this DIY baby carrier using just scarf. This is the Empire Tower. Lalakad kami dito sa Empire Tower papunta sa BTS station. And we're gonna continue walking. Sa kami sa may walkway, skywalk, papuntang BTS. Okay, we're now going to Bangkok Breakfast. And there we go. This is card sale only. We don't have a card. We're actually going to Thonglor. Mommy, can you find Thonglor? Thonglor. Okay, Thonglor is 44. And it's Sukhumvit line. This one is Silom line, the dark green. And this is the Sukhumvit line. So we have to interchange here in Siam. Lagi pa, Mami. Thonglor is 44 baht. From my station, which is Chongnonsi, it is... Okay, so the embassy is in between Prompong and Thonglor. So we choose to go to Thonglor. 44. If you don't have coins, then just go buy from here. Or get an exchange. I got this change. And we're going to buy our ticket. So we have to do it in English. Okay, so we are going to Sukhumvit line. Okay, bye. And let's do another one. I should have put 2. I'm sorry. we're waiting for the train with this sleepy guy. We're going to Tonglo, and so we're going to wait for another train down here. Okay, so we're on the other train. So we arrived in Tonglo station, and so we're going down, and we're gonna find exit 2 and then walk for 10 minutes to the Philippine Embassy. 10-minute walk? Oh my god. You can do it. He's doing fine. He's not complaining at all. Oh, let's see. Where is the Philippine Embassy? There you go. It's correct. Philippine Embassy. The Embassy of the Republic of the Philippines, exit 2. Alright, so let's follow the direction. This way. Watch your steps. We're already down here. Okay, and we're just gonna walk straight. And in about 10 minutes, we will be able to arrive at the Philippine Embassy. Okay, walking to the embassy. Good morning. Opo. Salamat.
Sa konsular bukas na
makin tuan sa payung isan. Malaman? Muli pag-hold din. Okay, sir. Ako ay ganda. Ako na nanumpa. Ito mo na lang ang pag ka. Happy visit. Natatawa siya. Look at those rushes. Rushes, say hi. Hey. Hey. Boy. Alam mo kung nasaan tayo ngayon? Nandito tayo sa Philippine Embassy, baby. Nandito tayo sa Philippine Embassy. Yes, sa Philippine Embassy. Kukuha tayo ng passport mo. Oo, tama. James Alex, boy. James Alex. Kasi, boy. Mamalan si mother. Are you okay? Hindi ko nagugutom, ha? Thanks, bye! Saan tayo, boy? Boy. James Alex. The little Alex at the Philippine Embassy. Yeah! Nagmayat katawa na di madaldalasan ang bukit. Nadalasan na ang bukit. Sino ang daldalasan na ang bukit na ang Philippine Embassy? Sino di tinwaki ngamin? What? Tinwaki kami na ang Philippine Embassy. Alam! Uy! Kapag tinwaki ka kami at Philippine Embassy, magdanan bibi. Ano ba ka naman dito? Is na sa Philippine Embassy dito. Bakit? Kaya. What? Nilalaman niya. No, wow, Philippines Airlines. Gusto mo rin sumigaw, boy? Sumigaw din si baby na. Sigaw din ang baby na. Magaling ba? Alright guys, so we're done from the embassy. There's a little bit of something that happened that I did not really like, but it's okay. And we enjoyed. Corner of the building. Kaya ako na tayo sa corner na. Magpapating na ka man. Magpapating na ka. Magoreng san! Magoreng asaw! Goreng asaw! Wan, masuk sa nagmurahan. Kakamot sa kwanasan ang tumuta sa unasan. Kamutres ko ano. Iri alas 7:30, rinumwarcho is na balay. Kat nagnagnaso as mga 4 minutes. 1. Napancho at si dini BTS Asian at Chong Non Si. 1.
Los battery.
Irik 1. Naglugan so as BTS. Irik 1 napanson at si dini ano in main song aminan? Ad sayam. Idikwan in malis manan as BTS napanso ad Tonglo BTS station. Idikwan nagnasa manan as 10 minutes. Kat napancho ad si dini Philippine Embassy. Ajay. Ano ino para sa Philippine Embassy? Inagkanta na iso as flag. Kat nagkanta siya as national anthem. Naki-celebrate siya as Independence Day at Philippine Embassy, baby. Inalpas ang celebration the Philippine Embassy ay Independence Day an. Napancho naki-breakfast. At the free breakfast ay into that si Dini Embassy. Naamam di? Oo. Inikwa. Napancho at si Dini office, consular office. Ano inabrasa manan is din? Napanso in process and report of birth mo. In report me ay naiyanak kais na Thailand. 1. Ininalpas ang report of birth. Kat nag-process manan as passport mo, baby. Managan mo. James, Alex, Pargad, Riggins. Kat nakabaybayad yun ang ura-ura istiya, baby, yan. Kat nagsing-sing put ka pa ya. Adi ka nin-ag-aga. Nin-aga kan samod lang na minsan. Bun. Idi kwan.
Ditimaki ka.
Iditin maki ka. Idi kwan inaayabanson. At si Dini, gaputa baby ka kano. Inawagan da ka ay umuna at si Dini, counter 1. Gaputa baby ka nga rod. So ay priority ka. Ngam? Naguray sa lata. Hindi pa nagpipicture. Naguray sa latas. Nabaybayag. Kiti, baby. Hindi adaso is di unugan, baby. Paggarop na no adik ay mariing ay nasingput. Nya. Paggarop nito di ada is di. Kiti, baby. Nim idi nagriing ka. Katag singsingput ka. Katag mulmulagat. Ano matawag na picturean ka kiti. Huwin kiti, baby. Wan. Anim amo di ayaw. Wan. Idi kwan, idi napicturean dakan. Naalasoan, resibon, nagbayad si mama man. Naamatam? Naamatam di inubraso at embassy tatay. Idi kwan nagawid son, nag-BTS sumana, nagnagna sumana at Prompong Station. Ako nun ay Tonglo, baka nun ay Tonglo. Prompong Station. Nagpancho at si Dini Siam Station, nag-interchange to ad Silom Line. Idikwan, napansumanan at Chong Non Si. Idibin mabaso at Chong Non Si, nagnaso is di mall, rinumwarso at si Dini Kalsada ay sumrot at is napagigyanan. So, idikwan, nagtugtugaw sa manan isnan, balay. Nag-ag-aga ka basit, timak-taki ka, dinaldalo sa namin ang taki bank mo. 1. Idi alas sa isan, napansumanan is din church. Ngum nagtaksi sumatunan. Aliso ay nag-BTS-an. 1. Nagtaksi so napanso is di church. Nakigimong so as alas 6:30. Kut ado na to din na amom ay tattao is di ada pay Pilipino kas kada nagduduma ang lahi da is di baby. Kat na ay ayatan dagin sik Kat uri mo sik akat na ay ayatan kakat dagsing-sing mat kawat ya. 1. Kat sinukatan mi pa ang diaper mo is di na minsan. Ew! Tinaptaki ka ngamin! Ew! What? Ew! Idi kwan, nagtaksi sa mananayin mo dong. Anda susnan. Anda kasnan. I mean, apat. Ni.
Thank you kini Jesus nga Roda.
Thank you kang kini Jesus and baby. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, kini baby me. Thank you, Jesus, kini baby me.